autumn settles gently over Pelham Bay, a vast landscape of shoreline, forest, and quiet water. In the stillness of this season, history feels closer. Many pass through New York City without ever discovering this place. Yet here lies the city's largest park, a landscape shaped by centuries. Salt marshes, tidal lagoons, and forested islands form a rare natural landscape, a reminder of what the coastline looked like centuries ago. In the distance, rise the towers of Co-op City, the largest cooperative housing community in the world. From above, the park reveals a network of winding tidal lagoons and marshes. These quiet waters flow slowly toward Long Island Sound, forming one of the most important coastal ecosystems in the city. Ahead stretches the long crescent of Orchard Beach, often called the Riviera of New York. The beach was created in the 1930s during the era of New York master builder Robert Moses. Nearly a mile or 1.6 kilometers of sand transformed this shoreline into one of the city's most beloved summer destinations. Below us, a winding lagoon leads toward the open waters of Long Island Sound. These quiet marshlands form one of the most beautiful natural landscapes inside Pelham Bay Park. Across the water lies Glen Island Park, once a private resort island in the late 19th century. It welcomed thousands of visitors arriving by steamboat. In autumn, the forests of Pelham Bay Park transform into a vast mosaic of color. Oak, maple, and hickory trees paint the landscape in shades of gold, amber, and crimson. From above, the scale of the park becomes clear, more than 3 times larger than Central Park. Hidden within this forested landscape lies the Pelham Bay Golf Course, together with the neighboring Split Rock Golf Course. These historic greens have served New York golfers for more than a century, a peaceful contrast to the dense city skyline just beyond the trees. Between 1836 and 1842, Robert Bartow built the Greek Revival mansion that stands before us, a symbol of prosperity in a young and expanding nation. After the deaths of Robert and Maria Bartow, New York City purchased the estate in 1888, assembling surrounding lands to create Pelham Bay Park, preserving open space for future generations. The formal garden plaza of the Bartow-Pell Mansion Museum reflects the elegance of a 19th-century estate, carefully restored to its historic design. During the 1930s, Mayor Fiorello LaGuardia used the mansion as a summer office, governing a growing metropolis from this quiet retreat. Since 1946, the house has welcomed the public as a museum. In 1978, it was designated a National Historic Landmark, its story officially woven into the nation's heritage.